Welcome back. We are in exercise 2.10 multiple choice question. Euclid dimensional lemma states that for positive integer a and b there exists an unique integer q and r such that a is equals to bq plus r where r must satisfy. So we know that remainder should fall between 0 to b and it can be equal to 0 but it cannot be equal to b. So the option is C. Using Euclid division lemma, if the cube of any positive integer is divided by 9, then the possible remainders are. So the remainders will be cubic remainders. So 0, 1 and 8 are the cubic remainders. So the option is A. If the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117, then the value of m is. So for that we need to find the HCF first. As you can see, HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. So we make 65m minus 117 equal to 13. We take 170 to that side of equal to, it becomes 130 divided by 2 divided by 65. M is equals to 2. So the option is B. The sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 1729 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Now how you got this 1 plus 1 is 70, write 1729, factorize it, so it becomes 13, 7 and 19, which is 111 in the exponent, hence therefore it becomes 3 equal to, so the option is C. The correct option is C. Now we are coming to question number 5. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10 both inclusive is 2520. So I have done a video on this, so you can see in the description. So the option for this is D. Question number 6. 7 power 4k equal to mod of 100. So 7 power 4 can be written as 2401. So this can be written as 24 into 100 plus 1. So anything that is multiplied by 100 and we find mod of it is 0. 0 plus 1. So anything power 1 is always 1. Hence the answer is 1. So the correct option is A. Question number 7. If f1 is equals to 3, f1 is equals to 1, f2 equal to 3 and fn is equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, then f5 is. So by substituting value of n equal to 3, we find the value of f3. By substituting value of n equal to 4, we find the value of f4. By substituting the value of n equal to 5, we find the value of f5, that is 11. So why do we substitute all these value in order? Just because in between it is f1 plus f2, but when we come to f4 we have f3 plus f2, but we don't know what is f3, so we carry from the previous one. Hence the first term of an AP is unity and the common difference is 4. Which of the following will be the term of AP? So what we do, term 1 is 1, d equal to 4, tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we substitute all the values, given values for tn. So once we substitute for tn, so whichever value, the n is perfectly a real number, that is the answer. So once we calculate this tn as 4551 a plus n minus 1 into d, we calculate this as 1137, that is 137.5. So n cannot be in decimal, so this is not the correct option. Next we are coming to second option, which was 10,091. So this is also not correct because it ends in decimal. Now 7881 plus 1 n minus 1 into 4, we take 1 to that side of equal to, it becomes 7880 divided by 4, it becomes 1970, minus 1 comes to this side of equal to, becomes plus 1, therefore n is equals to 1971, which is the correct option is C. Now if the sixth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the 7th term of an AP, then what is 13th term of AP? So 6 times 6th term equal to 7 times 7th term will lead you to a plus 12d equal to 0. So as it leads a plus 12d equal to 0, so we can say that this is the expansion for term 13. Term 13 become 0, which is the correct option is A. Now question number 10. In an AP consists of 31 terms. If the 16th term is m, then the sum of all the terms of AP is n is equals to 31, t16 equal to m, s31 is equals to what? So as we know T16, we can write T16 as A plus 15M, 15D equal to M. So this we know. Substitute in S31, that is 31 by 2, 2a plus 30d. We take out 2 common, a plus 15d, 2m, 2 can be cancelled, it becomes 13m, 31m, which is the option C. Now we are coming to question number 11. In an AP, the first term is 1, the common difference is 4. How many terms of AP must be taken for the sum to be 120? So we are given the datas which are given here. We write Sn equal to 120, n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. It can be calculated in many ways. So what I did is I took out 2 common. So it becomes 2 being cancelled. So we are left with 1 minus 2n minus 2. So it becomes 2n minus 1. By quadratic splitting the middle term, we get n is equals to 8. We get n is equals to 7.5 because n cannot be negative, hence therefore n is equals to 8. So the correct option is C. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. If a is equals to 2 power 65, b is equals to this, which of the following is true? So a equal to 1, n is equals to 65, and we find r. R is equals to, we are taking from this side. So r is equals to 2 power 1 by 2 power 0. So 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 0 is 1, hence therefore it is equal to 2. We substitute in the formula of Sn, so it becomes 2 power 65 minus 1 by r minus 1, which is 2 power 65 minus 1 by 1. So the correct, which is lesser than 2 power 65, hence b is lesser than a, hence therefore equal to D, because they said b is lesser than a by 1. Next we are coming to question number 13. So as you can see, question number 13, what is the next term of the sequence? So we are already given with a is equals to 3 by 16, r is equals to t2 by t1, which is 1 by 8, 3 by 16, we calculate, this becomes 2 by 3. And then we find t5, a into r power n minus 1, we substitute the value, we calculate to be b. If the sequence t1, t2 are in AP, then all the sequence will be in AP. This is a direct question and the option for this is B. Now find the value of 1 cube to 15 cube minus 1 to 15. So as you can see, these are all, this is mere calculation. The answer for this is 14280, which is option C. So please subscribe the channel for further updates. I'll be uploading all the multiple choice question for all the units given. Thank you.